Hi everyone! Welcome to your art class. For today, we will tackle about visual art in the local area. So for this unit, you should be able to specify the materials and the instruments utilized in the works when viewing them and describe the reason and the methods of creating visual artworks with techniques and materials, and tell about the sources of the visual art works in the local area. And you should explain the materials and the instruments and the methods of creating the visual artworks in the local area. So the next slide is the diagram of learning contents for this unit. So these are the things that you need to learn for this unit. The origins of the local visual artwork, how to create local visual artwork, and the materials and equipment we used. But before we proceed, let's start first knowing your vocabulary words for this unit. Are you ready? Now let's get started. Number 1, cherish, cherish. 2, chisel, chisel. 3, fork, fork. 4, legacy, legacy. 5, local, local. 6, region, region. 7, utensil, utensil. 8, teak, teak. 9, textile, textile. 11, traditionally, traditionally. 11, wisdom, wisdom. So please look for the translation of each words for you to understand. Thank you, and please write to your art notebook. Now, without further ado, let's get started with our first learning content that about the origins of the local visual artwork. The local visual artwork provides a valuable folk wisdom from different areas in Thailand that is passed down from generation to generation. The artwork was often first created to use in their daily lives as a tool to earn a living or for religious ceremony. The artists would have used traditional tools and materials found in the local area. Local visual artwork is valuable because it comes from the wisdom of Thais from different regions. So people in the regions use different materials and equipment to create unique visual artwork. Each kind of work should be preserved and kept in the country as long as possible. So once the folk artists became expert in creating their artwork, they began to add design by emphasizing shapes, forms, lines, colors, and patterns. That is why their work became cherished from that particular region. These are the example of the local artwork. On the left hand, we have the Kukrit pottery. On the right hand, we have Banchang pottery. Those pottery that you can see on your screen are made of clay. Yes, it made of clay. Kukrit pottery is an ancient handicraft made by Mon people in Kukrit. Mon people are renowned for their expertise in their making of pottery, which has been passed down from their ancestors. The containers made include pot, water jar, plant pot, and cauldron. While Banchang is located in Nonghan District, Udon Thani Province, Thailand. Discovered in 1957, the Banchang archaeological site attracted enormous publicity due to its distinctive red painted pottery, as you can see as the detail of the Banchang pottery. They are made with same materials, but it has different meaning, patterns, shapes, forms, and its meaning to its people who made its pottery. So these are some example for our local artwork. I hope you learned something today. Thank you.